In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Coinbase account, beginner's guide. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready and understand exactly what each screen is asking for. Before we start, make sure you have a reliable internet connection, access to your email inbox, and a mobile phone nearby, since you'll be verifying both. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase. From the results, choose the official website. Double-check the URL and look for the secure lock icon in the address bar to avoid phishing pages. Once you're on the home page, find and select the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Next, choose the type of account you're opening. Most people will select a personal account for individual investing. A business account is for organizations and has different requirements, so pick the option that matches what you need right now. Enter your email address carefully. This becomes your main login, and where Coinbase will send important security messages. If there's a checkbox for marketing emails, you can decide whether to subscribe. It's optional. Click Continue to proceed. Check your email for a verification code from Coinbase. Copy the code and return to the site to enter it. These codes expire, so act promptly and never share verification codes with anyone. After confirming your email, you'll create a password. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is best. When you're done, click Continue. Now you'll be asked for your first and last name. Use your legal name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID, because this will be used later to verify your identity. Click through to the next screen and enter your mobile phone number. Select the correct country code and ensure the number can receive texts. Coinbase will send you a text message with another verification code. Enter the code you receive to confirm your phone number. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and check your signal, then request a new code if needed. Once this is verified, your Coinbase account is created. From here, you can start verifying your identity. This is a standard requirement for financial platforms and helps keep your account secure and compliant with regulations. Follow the on-screen prompts when you're ready to submit your details and identification documents. That's it. You searched for the official site, signed up, chose your account type, verified your email and phone, and entered your basic information. Keep your login secure, be cautious of suspicious links, and you're set to explore Coinbase with confidence.